snake immediately crawled up and decided to feast on the eggs that were left unattended, and she succeeded. But there is one smart bird that has learned to deceive even snakes. This is the pendulum tit. She is a genius at building nests, and she came up with an unusual way to camouflage her nest. The shape of her nest impressive in itself. But the main thing here is that there is a protective mechanism to deceive predators. You can only get into the nest through a secret door. This valve is formed from a sticky web so that the bird can close it from the inside or outside right under it. The tit specially makes a false entrance that leads the snake into an empty chamber, and the snake will not be able to get into the nest.